Tornadoes by me, Nicholas James Slater. Yay! Tornadoes come by cold and hot air combined and makes into a funnel, and it makes it start to become into a tornado by the thing. It doesn't hit the ground most of the time, maybe. There's a job for tornado hunting called tornado hunting. The unknown on where they appear at Texas, and there's sirens. There's even a toy called the terrifying Twister. Oh, I forgot to say before. Or I forget. They can be all twisters, etc. So what does it know? There's a warning on your TV to tell you it's coming. So get shelter by going to a safe place like a basement, or an arcade, or a closet. The